look at something called for loop. It's similar to while loop, but the only difference is in while loop we give everything one by one, but in for loop we just give everything within a bracket, and that's it. Now let's see. So start with for, type for, and then inside of this one I'm gonna put integer counter, and this is the initialization int, and you can name whatever you want, and I put a counter, and I initialize with 1, let's say 1, and then semicolon. The next thing is we have to set the limit until what we have to run this one. So to limit this one I put counter less than or equal to 10, so it will go from 1 to 10, and then we are going to say how much do we want this one to increment by. Let's say I want to increment this one by 1, so I put counter plus plus, and that's it. Once you are done that, now you can go and type your statement, print statement. So I put system.out dot print line, and then counter, and then I'm done. Now our program is done. It shows some error here. Let's see what it is. I didn't start a curly bracket after this. Okay, and that's it. Now there's no error. Let's go ahead and run this one. Boy, now you can see it goes from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We can do multiple, like let's say we want to do the increment by 3. So to do that you have to just put plus equal 3. Okay, first I explain why it's going 1 2 3 10. First we start with 1, we didn't start with 0, so 1, so it start from 1, and then it goes up to 10, and then it goes to 11, and sees it's not the counter is limited by 10, so it stopped right there. And then now we are going to do with 3, like let's do the increment by 3 and see what happens. Now you can see 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, and 10 plus 3 is 13, but that's outside of the limit we put, so it doesn't print that. And also we can change the starting point. Let's say I start with 7, I go up to 21, and then I want to increment by 3. Now let's run this one. Now you can see start with 7, 10, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 3 is 22, but it's outside of the limit we put right here. And that's how that's how the for loop works. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later.